Welcome to Switch It Up. And we have a very special Switch It Up for you today.
Absolutely. It's a surprise that's been a year in the making, and we are like a kid on Christmas morning, just excited to open this up and share it with you all.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. And now we're going to roll the intro.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
The rumors are true. We built a spacecraft.
It's not a rumor.
It's not a rumor anymore. It is time to reveal all the things that have happened over the last year behind the scenes and show you what we've been working on. Now, here's the thing. Little ground rules. There's a lot of YouTubers getting ready to come in. They're going to do all their videos. This is going to be a quick walkthrough because we still have to set up for everyone that's showing up to the Tampa show.
But key points you need to know is the spacecraft is about 70% finished.
Yes.
We've got some things for you to give us your opinion on, and so much to show you and share with you.
And we're going to do that throughout the week.
Yes.
In little snippets here and there. But let's just get this out of the way. It is 54 feet long. It is a little large. Now you kind of understand why the truck was built.
But the key component is to realize, yes, we got a new truck. Yes, we got and built a custom spacecraft, but the question is why?
Yes, that is the question. And the question is because of community.
Yeah.
For you guys and us and doing some amazing things together. If you think of it in that lens, we always said we needed to do something where we weren't limited any longer by any kind of space.
So what if we created something where we could be a rolling event space for ourselves, for our community? So this was completely, yes, it's our home, yes, it's our office, but this was completely crafted with our community in mind.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited right now.
Yeah.
But, okay, now your mind is spinning. Like, there's so many questions. How did they pull this off? What happened? And we have those answers too. But before we do that, I know if you're like me, you want to do a quick walkthrough. So before Greg and the spacecraft team come back around and all the people start showing up here, let's just do a walkthrough and do some key components so you can see that.
It's going to be hard for me not to dive into the details. We're just going to do a high overlook, and then we'll get into the details on our channel throughout.
Oh, yeah. We got lots of
things. Lots of time. We got all kinds of time.
But here it comes. And you're going to see tons of videos by so many different people. But let's give you the nuts and bolts.
I wanted to bring it to you first.
All right, let's do it. Sheila, what is that? What is that?
Well, that is a brilliant idea, is what that is. That is an LED wall that will pivot out. It's outdoor rated so that we can have events outside and have a screen to share everything on.
I'm super excited. If you're asking, it is 8 foot by about 6.5 foot. So 8 foot wide and about 6.5 foot tall. It's pretty fascinating. So, but it does pivot. It'll pivot all the way at 90, and then we can set it, even if we're all sitting out here in chairs, we can set it out so we can actually have some good time together.
Absolutely, but we just can't stop with an LED wall.
No.
You gotta look at what's up top. There's some sound up there.
Yes.
You gotta show them, Todd.
Okay. So as you know, with our huddles, we generally will have some sort of music and stuff. So think of it this way. LED wall is kicked out. Concert speakers that are on the top, they're actually weather rated so they can be outside, and a full-on PA system. Oh, let me go unlock that. Here, you say that. I'll go unlock.
I guess I'm gonna hold you now for a second. But if you look up there, yes, that is a deck, and we've built in up there on top where we can plug in instruments to be able to have a musician on the top of the RV as a viewing deck and as a concert space. I was telling them about up there that it's a space for concerts.
Yes, with the deck up on top and the deck out the side and the deck out the back. It ties into everything that we want to do. So think of Ryan Harmon up there singing, but he needed to have a place that he could plug all of his instruments in. So we created something. We created a whole sound system. So I ran a snake, which is an import ports up on top that comes from up there to the board, and we can have all kinds of instruments. There can be a keyboard player here, a drum player there, and instruments up there. I mean, yeah, LED wall kick in. The huddles are gonna be great.
We have that ability now. All you need to do is just bring a chair. And I know you guys carry one of those with you, so bring a chair and let's do an event outside.
Yeah.
If you've been following our channel for a while or you've been to our huddles, you know we have some big event dreams where we can be outside. And this is it. This is going to allow us to do that.
Okay, so let's give them some statistics. 54 feet long.
Okay.
The LED wall out, 8 foot. The deck on the back down, 8 foot. So we're a little over 70 feet long.
Look at him doing maths.
Yeah. So the RV itself, we had it weighed. It is 43,260 pounds dry
She's
weight.
a heavy beast.
Yes. So that's kind of an impressive statistic. Oh, how are we going to power all this, Sheila?
Oh, with our friends from Enduro Power lithium batteries, of course.
Yeah, yes. All those times we hung out with Harrison and doing that, and Kaza stepped up with RV Solar Solutions. We have these new brand partnerships. MoRide has jumped on board. We'll show you that too.
Yes, because MoRide saw that, hey, you need to get to your event gear back there. Let us make that easy for you. So we have some amazing brand sponsors that are coming along to make this thing possible.
It is. Oh, you want to see the batteries? It's a little, we got stuff in here because we're setting up, but I could show you. If you're a battery connoisseur, we have 8 300 amp hour Enduro Power batteries, and they're running on a 48 volt system. I didn't know what that meant, but I'm acting like I do. So we have 2 banks of those, 2 4 battery banks, which produce now 30 kilowatts of solar, and we have almost.
They don't produce solar.
No, they produce battery power.
Yeah.
But the solar, the RV solar connections with Kaza, he brought in all the Victron components, where they threw up almost 3,000 watts of solar on top, because we didn't have all the room because of the deck.
Why do you need a deck, Todd?
The deck's for the concerts and hanging out.
It's going to be, imagine we got tickets for the Albuquerque Balloon Festival. What an awesome place that's going to be to hang out, to watch
What
balloons
if?
lodge.
Come on, Switch Crew. Think about it. Okay, there's more. Do you want to show them inside? The lights are off, but we can try to do the best we can.
We'll do the best we can. And you got to remember, we're only 70% there.
Yeah.
I love this safety rail. This is from MoRide as well. They just extend down farther, makes that an easier entry.
Thanks, MoRide.
I think I'll leave the screen door open so we can use that light.
Okay. So give them a tour of the new crib.
New crib.
This is YouTuber Switch. This is the new Switch Crew crib.
All right.
Start here. There's a whole documentary we done on this. So just breathe this in, and we'll give you updates here at the end.
This is going to be our living area space. We have an amazing love sack with technology in it. We wanted to find innovative solutions for like our space. So there's sound bars and charging ports and all kinds of things for this amazing sofa. I'm super excited for that space. There will be a chair here.
Yeah, we needed the room for the walkthroughs.
Yeah, this will be Todd's editing. This is Todd's desk, so there's going to be an editing section for him right here. Todd, that's your space. Look at this table. Okay, this was super cool. Backyard Resin completed this table for us. I think it's
Okay, but
lovely.
I take credit because I said the old TikToks and stuff I was watching, I wanted to do something, and Sheila appeased me and found somebody that would make something.
Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful piece of art. That is for sure.
And then she took the same wood from the front, from over here, and then we used that on the front here.
Created a great kitchen space. I am excited about this kitchen for sure. So much more space. With a spacecraft, we didn't have to necessarily worry about weight, so I'm able to have all residential appliances. So I'm super excited about that. Because guess what? Remember those times I've always been saying, I would love to have a dishwasher? We do now. We have a dish drawer.
It is nuts. It is nuts. That's right here, but it's locked. Oh no, it's open. Look at that.
Look up there. That's the hatch. How you get up there. So that's the little sneak way to get up to the top to that little patio up there. But check these out. I love these
the doors. These
I
doors.
think this is locked. So these doors, you can exit this direction,
Mm-hmm.
or they also fold. They're bifold doors. that fold
Here,
right out.
watch.
Look at that. And smooth. Those are so smooth. But that'll allow us to bring the outside inside and just kind of really open up the spot where we can be hanging out there on the side patio. And here we have a half bath. This is a hot mess back here. We still need to open, kind of get some things set up.
Oh, look at this. Macerator toilets. So, I can't wait till it all gets done.
Ooh, one of my favorite features is look at this. They were able to craft some doors for me that I absolutely love.
That looks so good, too. It's the first time I've seen that actually closed.
Nice little pocket doors. This will be my space for the most part. This is one of those spaces where we still have to finish up some cabinetry, but there will be a desk here that can be a desk, or when we need this as a Murphy bed for space for like when we have people come to help us with events, be able to push this down and it'll be a full-size bed, and then again another set of those folding doors that'll take us outside to the back.
Along with another door.
Yes, to get out. Let's go up and show you the front part of the RV. It's dark up here.
Yeah. Okay. A unique bed. We did something very unique.
We found this company called Axel Bloom was able to do some adjustable bed. They can make that to whatever size we wanted in the RV. And it's got some great support. It's like a lot of options there for how to make your bed the most comfortable. So I'm excited to try that out. This, we don't have power right now, but I would show you. This TV just goes shoop like that. It just lifts right up on a remote control, and then we've got a lot of space storage there for our clothing. This is a cool door.
Oh, it's dark back here.
It is dark back here. You cannot see it all.
We'll have to go and have the lights turned on, but yes, go ahead.
Let me see if a flashlight is going to help us at all. No.
Kinda.
So there's our vanity area. Our shower, look at those shower doors. I need to clean them again. Bathroom, toilet area, and then we have our kind of a walk-in closet. Look there, we get to see Todd because he's got the camera.
The reason we don't have power is they're supposed to be running power, and we don't know how to flip it. Greg and the team's not here, so we don't know how to flip the power on.
Yes,
Just turn on the lights. Hopefully they'll be here soon, but
we just wanted to give you a first look at what we've been up to and tell you about the RV revolution.
yeah. So what we did was we partnered with 16 different brands, and to help bring this all together. And we decided for a whole year, if you were going to go down this road, what would it be like? So for a whole year, we recorded, and
Yes.
we did something called the RVRevolution.tv. So if you click on that and you go to that link, you'll get to learn all about what we've done and see a 10-part episode series on what we've done.
I think the series is turning out to be really
It's
good.
amazing.
It just kind of documents the journey that we've been on, the highs, the lows, all the pieces that we had to bring together to make this happen. And we'd love for you to just kind of come on that journey with us. And we're going to end the whole RV revolution for this year with an RV Revolution rally where we can just unite all together. There's so many details. We can't give them all to you right now, but we'll just kind of give you the beginnings, seeds of what's happening.
Yep. And then we'll turn around, and along the week we'll give you little tidbits, and when power comes on we'll give you even more stuff, and so you can get all of the different things that are happening. And then we'll go and see some stuff that are around the show that's unique and different in this amazing Tampa weekend.
Yeah, we wanted to give it to you first, Switch Crew, because we love you. We're thankful for you, and we're thankful for the brands that are coming along with us to make this all possible.
So much fun.
Oh, speaking of that, you know, tomorrow we have 43 RV spots coming in to do a camp out
Switch
here
crew.
on the spot, out on the campground. So I'm excited to meet the crew, see
So-
the crew, and have them come see this new rig.
Yep. Have fun, guys, and thanks for tuning in. And if you have any comments, things that you like, or anything, leave a comment down below. There will, since it's not painted, we will have renditions so people can vote on the different renderings that we have that you can actually, have an opinion on. Maybe steer us in a direction.
Yes, but until then, right now we need to get everything set up.
Yeah, we got to put the tent up and get ready for everyone.